So, good morning, good day. Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate a laboratory exercise on forecasting for decision support. Using data warehousing and data mining techniques, we will be analyzing the monthly sales data from 2022 to 2023 to predict future performance. So our data consists monthly sales records. Looking at the data, we have observed a clear upward here trend, um, meaning our sales are growing year over year. So the strategic goal of this forecast is to help management with um, inventory planning and budgeting. So for the second half of 2023, ensuring we have enough resources to meet increasing demands. And also, I have a set up data warehouse in my PHP admin using database name sales forecasting. So, mag-create ta sa PHP admin on butang na to at sa kong example mag-name buhat tag database sales mag name by sales underscore forecasting. So inside the creating table called monthly sales, so which contains our 12 months of history data. So makita na to ang 12 months, which is January, February, March, April, May, January, tapos February na naman, March, April, May, June. So, pagkahuman is to perform data mining, mag-ira na to SQL query to calculate the what is that monthly increase. So here we see the monthly increase table or monthly sales, monthly underscore sales. So and then nata, di ba, na-create natay database which is yung sales underscore forecasting. So nasulod na to siya dira and then naapod tay growth percentage ara sa growth percentage nakita na to ang katong ingon ako sa nina ang trend. And then so this allow us to see exactly how much our sales are accelerating each month. So by displaying the chart in my PHP admin, we can see visually confirm the linear growth. This steady climb is the reason why I select simple linear. So what is linear pala? So linear regression is a statistical method used to model analyze the relationship between two variables. So as our forecasting algorithm, it is the most effective tools for capturing this kind of constant upward trend. So for forecast result and interpretation, nara, so nadiri in July, natay 23, tapos based on our analysis, here is the forecast for the next month or 6 months. For July 23, we have expecting around 1,750. By December 2023, sales are projected to reach a peak above 1,992 1,092. So and then for decision support, this means management should increase inventory levels starting in October. Tapos na po siya prefer for additional staffing to handle the year and still speak. So for conclusion, also using SQL and data mining, we've turned raw data and strategic roadmap for the business. And that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for watching.